Dear students, welcome to Social Science online class. I am Satya from Department of Social Science. Now we are going to see about the lesson Geography Unit 3 India Agriculture. Today's topic Book Bag Evolution. Roman letter 1. Choose the correct answer. First question. The soil which is rich in iron oxides is dash. Answer red. Second question. Which of the following organization has divided the Indian soils into 8 major groups? Answer option A. Indian Council of Agricultural Research. Third question. The soils formed by the rivers are dash. Answer option D. Alluvial soils. Fourth question. Dash Dam is the highest gravity dam in India. Answer option B. Bagranangal Dam. Fifth question. Dash is a cash crop. Answer option A. Cotton. Sixth question. Black soils are also called as dash. Answer option C. Regur soils. Seventh question. The longest dam in the world is dash. Answer option C. Hirakud Dam. Eighth question. Which crop is called as golden fiber in India? Answer jute. Roman letter 2. Consider the given statements and choose the correct option given below. First question. Assertion A. Horticulture involves cultivation of fruits, vegetables and flowers. Reason. India ranks first in the world in the production of mango, banana and citrus fruits. Option A. Both A and R are true and R explains A. B option. Both A and R are true, R does not explain A. C option. A is correct, R is false. D option. A is false, R is true. Students, which one is the correct answer? Option C. Option C. A is correct, R is false is the correct answer. Second question. Assertion. Alluvial soil is formed by the deposition of erode and decayed materials brought by the rivers. Reason. Paddy and wheat are grown well in the soil. Option A. Both A and R are true and R explains A. Option B. Both A and R are true, R does not explain A. Option C. A is correct, R is false. Option D. A is false, R is true. Which one is the correct answer? Option A. Both A and R are true and R explains A is the correct answer. Roman letter 3. Pick the order note. First one. Wheat, rice, millets, coffee. Which one is the correct answer? Option D. Coffee. Coffee is the correct answer. Second one. Gordar, Bongar, alluvial soil, black soils. Which one is the correct answer? Option D. Black soil is the correct answer. Third one. Inundational canals, perennial canals, tanks, canals. Which one is the correct answer? Option C. Tanks is the correct answer. Roman letter 4. Match the following. First one. Sugar bowl of India. Answer Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Second one. coffee. Answer Karnataka. Third one, Teri. Answer highest dam in the India. Fourth one, Hirakud. Answer Mahanadi. Fifth one, horticulture. Answer Golden Revolution. Next, Roman letter 5. Answer in brief. First question, define soil. Answer, students take page number 154. First question, define soils. 154, sequence 3.1, soils heading, first 3 lines. From soil to air and water. Third line, air and water. Okay. Second question, name the types of soil found in India. Page number 154, right side, the 8 soil types. Divides the soils of India into following 8 major groups. They are alluvial soils, black soils, red soils, laterite soils, forest and mountain soils, arid and desert soils, saline and alkaline soil, peaty and mossy soils. Third question, state any 2 characteristics of black cotton soil. Page number 155, tabular column. See tabular column, black soils. The nature of characteristics of black soil, last 2 lines. Nature, sticky when wet, high degree of moisture retentivity. Fourth question, define agriculture. Page number 159. Fourth question, define agriculture. Page number 159, right side, sequence 3.3, agriculture, heading agriculture fully. Agriculture heading fully, 5 lines. From agriculture is the process to animals, livestock. Okay. Fifth question, state the types of agricultural practices in India. Page number 159 and 161. 159, the types of farming. The heading only. Okay, subsistence farming, shifting farming, and page number 161, intensive farming, dry farming, mixed farming, and terrace farming. Sixth question, name the seasons of agriculture in India. Page number 162. Page number 162, cropping seasons. Cropping seasons only. Kharif season, Rabi season, and Zoid season. Cropping seasons only answer. Okay. No need crops. Seasons only. Kharif season, Rabi season, and Zoid season. Seventh question, mention the plantation crops of India. Page number 164. 164, plantation crops, last 2 lines. Tea, coffee, rubber, and spices are the major plantation crops of India. Eighth question, what do you mean by livestock? Page number 165. Page number 165, livestock, sequence 3.5, livestock paragraph fully. Ninth question. Write a brief note on the categories of fisheries in India. Page number 165 and 166. Page number 165. Fisheries heading. Last line. In India, fishing is categorized into two types. They are marine or sea fisheries, inland or freshwater fisheries. Page number 166. First point. Marine or sea fisheries fully. Heading fully. And second one, inland or freshwater fisheries, paragraph fully. Next, Roman letter 6, give reasons. First one, agriculture is the backbone of India. Answer C. Second question, rainwater harvesting is necessary. Answer C. Seventh Roman letter, distinguish between the following. First question, Rabi and Kharif crop seasons. Answer C. Second question, inundational canal and perennial canal. Answer C. Third question, marine fishing and inland fishing. Answer C. Fourth question, alluvial soils and black soils. C. Roman letter 8, paragraph, answer in a paragraph. First question, state any 5 types of soil in India and explain the characteristics and distribution of soil. Page number 155 and 156. Students, take page number 155 and 166. Soil types have 8 types. You know, students, you select any 5 soils and their characteristics and distributions only. No need crops growing. Okay, you select 5 soils and their characteristic and distribution only. Answers 155 and 156. Next, second question, what is multipurpose projects and write about any 2 multipurpose projects of India. Answer is guide. Third question, bring out the characteristics of intensive and plantation farming. Page number 161 and 164. 161. Page number 161, intensive farming, paragraph fully. And page number 164, 164, plantation crops fully. Next, fourth question, examine the geographical conditions favorable for the cultivation of rice and wheat. Page number 162 and 163. 162, rice, paragraph fully. And 162 and 163, wheat, paragraph fully. Next, map exercise. First one, demarcate the Major tracts of alluvial soils. C. Second, delimit the main regions of black soil. C. Third one, locate the Hirakud Dam, Mettur Dam and Damodar Dam. C. Fourth one, share the regions of jute cultivation. C. Fifth one, mark tea and coffee growing areas. C. Tea growing areas and C. Coffee growing areas. Next, regions of desert soil. C. Next, locate the fishing hubs. Tuticorin. Next, Chennai. Next, Cochin. Next, Mumbai. Next, Machilipattinam. Next, Kaveri Delta and Godavari Delta. C. Kaveri Delta. Next, C. Godavari Delta. Students, listen here. Next, homework. All are take your diary and note today's homework. Read paragraph thoroughly. I will conduct app test. We will meet next class. Bye.